Now the ring and the chain. Alright. So what happens in the ring we are having, that is the multiple bond, and the chain contains a functional group. Alright. Ring and chain is there. What I said, the ring contains the multiple bond and the chain contains the functional group. So which will get the preference? Definitely the chain. Because according to the preferential series, functional group comes first, then after that we get the multiple bond. Isn't it? Functional group. Which are the functional group? Whether it's aldehyde, ketones, alcohols, acid, whichever, amides, acid chloride, whatever it is there. That comes first, and then after that alkenes, alkynes and substituents. So what I said here, suppose we are having, that is a chain is there, and we are having here, let us say, what is that? We will take here COH, let us say, we will have it here. And here we will have a ring, and the ring contains a multiple bond. Let us say multiple bond is being present here. Alright, multiple bond is present. One more thing I am putting it here. I am giving a prefix also. Let us say CH3. Okay, fine. And let me increase the number of carbon atoms here also. Let us say it is this number of carbon atoms there. Alright. Then what will I do? From which side I will do the counting, this, that, what I need to do is that. See, that will see it. Now let me put the hydrogen atom here. CH3, here it is CH2, here it is CH, here it is CH, and here it is CH3. Alright, now you can see the chain contains a functional group and the ring contains a multiple bond. So definitely the chain will get the, what you can say, the root word. The chain is the root word. Got it? Chain is the root word, you can see, because the functional group is present in the chain. Now, and the ring becomes your prefix. Now this is a little bit complicated. Listen carefully. So, first thing is that, which is your longest chain. This is your longest chain. This becomes your root word. Fine. Now, we have to count from this direction, or we need to count from this direction. From which direction we should count it. See, so whichever direction we count, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Whichever direction we count, the functional group comes in the third position only. OH comes in third position. Suppose 1, 2, 3, then also third. 1, 2, 3, then also third. It comes in the third position, no doubt about it. But if we start counting from here, 1, 2, 3. Alright? If I start counting from here, then what happens is that this prefix comes in which position? Second position. And if I start counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Prefix comes in which position? Fourth position. See carefully. Here it comes in the fourth position prefix, and here it comes in second position, because from either of the side functional group comes in third position, no problem at all. Then after the functional group you have to give preference to prefix or not, because from both sides the functional group is the same. Then what we will see? We will see the prefix, then we should get the lowest number. So in that case we will see the prefix from this side it gets the lowest number, second, and then from this side it gets the number that is your fourth. So hence we will start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is it clear what I said? So that is 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can say that. Done. Now next is, after that, here what we will do. Here what I am going to do. Definitely the counting will start from here, because the branching starts from here. So counting will be starting from here. Now the question is, should I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way? No, we will go in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because if I come in this way, then double bond gets which position? Third position. If I come in this way, double bond also gets third position, lowest number. But if I come in this way, then methyl gets a fifth position. And if I come in this way, the methyl gets a second position. Again, same thing, lowest number. Lot of things you have to see it here. Lot of things. Then only you will decide. If I come in this way, you see, double bond comes in which position? 1, 2, 3. If I come in this way, double bond comes third position. No problem. Either of them same. But if I come in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, methyl gets fifth position, and in this way you can see second. So I always have to give the lowest number. So before answering, you have to think a lot, and then you need to answer it. It's not that we got the question and started answering. Alright, now we have to write the IUPAC properly. We have to write the IUPAC because the prefix is little bit complicated. Alright, so what I have to do? The secondary prefix. Secondary prefix. What I need to do? See here. In case of secondary prefix, I will write it here 2, because it starts from 2 here. Then what is that? 3, second position methyl, 2 methyl, Got it? Second position methyl. Then what is that? Cyclo. What is that? 5 carbon atom. Pent. Then how many in? 3 in. Third position in. And first position aryl. In first position aryl is there because here I am removing an hydrogen, then only it is become cyclopentyl, isn't it? So in this way, 2. See, this is your 2, and the whole thing I will see it. In second position, this methyl, this 2 comes from here. Second position methyl, 2 methyl, and then cyclo, it is cyclopent, and third position in, 3 in, and 1 aryl. Why 1 aryl? Because in the first position I have removed one hydrogen, then only this is being added. Na? Unless and until if I won't remove hydrogen, how this what you can say branching has to be done. So in this way we got it. Now next, after that, root word, because cyclo comes here itself in the secondary prefix. Now root word. So root word is what? Pent, you can see. Now next is primary suffix is ane, because all is single bond, no doubt about it. Secondary suffix is what? In third position, all. So E will be removed. So hence what we get it? 2,2-methyl cyclopent, 3 in 1 aryl, pentan 3 all. This is IUPAC name, we got it. Got it? When a functional group is present in the chain and the multiple bond is present in the ring. Got it? Clear? Now, wherever it is there, suppose in the chain is there, I have given preference to the chain. Suppose in the ring would have been there, then I would have given preference to the ring, not to the chain. Then the ring will become your root word and the chain will become the prefix. Alright, suppose it is opposite. The ring contains a functional group and the chain contains a multiple bond. Then it will be opposite. The ring will become your root word and the chain will become your prefix. Clear now? Okay. Now, let us say ring and chain both contains functional group. Both are having functional group. Ring is also having functional group and chain is also having functional group. Both are having functional group. In that case, we have to see which is a primary functional group. Whichever is primary, that will become the root word. We have to see which is your primary functional group. Understood now? Both ring and chain are having functional group. In that case, we will decide which is the primary functional group and we will do it accordingly. We will give preference to that particular one, whether it's a chain or whether it's a ring. Okay, now see it here. We are having here COOH, and here we are having, that is nothing but a ring. We are having it here, and we are having a functional group that is OH. Okay. Now let us say I am having here Cl chloro, and I am having also a multiple bond here. Let us say here it is multiple bonds there. Yes, it can be possible. So it is CH2. Here it is not possible. Here it is CH. Okay, done. Now what you can see is that the ring, the chain is having functional group. The ring is also having a functional group. Both are having a functional. No need to see the multiple bond. That is not required at all. Because when functional group is there, then multiple bond is definitely does not get the preference. Because I have told you earlier also that multiple bond comes much lower in the preferential series. At the last it comes almost. So hence here we will see which is a primary functional group. This is your primary, because remember the preferential series. Alright, it starts from carboxylic acid, isn't it? So this is the first one it comes. It comes first. So hence this one and this one is alcohol. Got it? So alcohol comes much below, we can say that, in the preferential series, because carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, acid anhydride, esters, acid chlorides, amides, then nitriles, isonitriles, aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, it comes. Alright, so it comes much below, we can say that. So this is your primary. So in this case what we will do, this becomes your nothing but a root word. This is the longest chain and this is your root word, and this nothing but becomes your prefix. Got it now? If both contains functional group, we will decide which is having the primary functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here the secondary prefix, and here what we will do, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, not in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, because in this way it will get the fourth position, and this way if we come it is second position. Alright, don't say sir this is 1. No, never it is 1. This is 1, because the branching starts from here. Got it? Yes. So secondary prefix, what we get? See, first is in third position we get nothing but chloro, 3 chloro. Then in the fourth position what we get? Fourth position what we get? We get that is 2 hydroxy. See, in the ring what we are having, 2 hydroxy. 2, because now this becomes prefix. Prefix means the name changes, 2 hydroxy. Then 2 hydroxy cyclo, what is that? Butyl. Because 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon. Anything else is there? See, 3 chloro, third position chloro. Fourth position what we are having? Fourth position Under fourth we are having second position hydroxy. Then what you are having? Cyclobutyl, 2-hydroxycyclobutyl. Done. Now after that root word, because primary prefixes come inside here only. Root word. So root word is what? Root word is pent. Primary suffixes nothing but we can say 2-in, because you can see here 2-in, second position in is there. And secondary suffixes 1-oic acid, because COH is nothing but known as oic acid. So 1-oic acid, E and O both are vowel, so E is removed. So we got it the name 3-chloro-4-2-hydroxycyclobutyl pent 2-in 1-oic acid. So in this way we got the IUPAC, the name of this particular compound, we can say that. Clear? Understood now? The rule. So if the ring and the chain contains both functional group, in that case we'll decide which is the primary functional group. If the ring contains the primary functional group, then ring becomes a root word. If the chain contains the primary functional group, then the chain becomes your root word. Alright, so it is done accordingly. Okay. Now next. Thank you very much.